Good morning, everybody. As you can see, the lighting in here is terrible, so it's so hard to do my makeup. I'm not even gonna put that much effort into my— oh, that was my eyeball. I'm not even gonna put that much effort into my makeup today. I'm like super tired. Like, these dark circles are literally impossible to cover, so why bother trying, you know what I mean? It's just like, know when to fold, you know? I've been up since 8:30, but I was tired, so I just laid in bed. We were supposed to leave at 9:30, but nobody in my family's ready. It's not just me, so thank goodness. Yesterday we stayed in Phoenix. We just kind of explored. We went to a festival, which was a blast for me. I had some amazing quesadillas. I'm not ready to go. I'm gonna be ready soon. I'm hurrying. I'm gonna finish up my makeup and then I'll be back to discuss more with y'all. Here on Devil's Bridge Trail or whatever. Well, right now we're on like a road part. Like, if you have a Jeep or a truck, you can drive on this part. But we do not have a Jeep or a truck, so we're walking. I'll try to record some of the hike on my GoPro as we go up, and then I'll update y'all. The bridge, but I didn't cross it because I was too scared. I have a fear of bridges, especially rock bridges that aren't thoroughly inspected frequently. So we're heading back down. Taking far too long to get down. I thought that when we came around this bend we were like done, but turns out we're not, but we should be soon. And then I'll figure out my life. We survived, we made it back to the car, and we're gonna go get Mexican food because literally could eat Mexican food every day for the rest of my life, so why not? So we literally just walked in here and ordered about 5 minutes ago. And look at this, our food is already here. This is amazing. Quick stop at Starbucks to get a little drink and get a little Wi-Fi. And we're on our way back to Phoenix. And then we're gonna maybe get ice cream or something. But I might be too full, so.
No,
that was
never
gross.
too full for ice cream.
Did you catch that? I hope my camera caught that. That was nasty. You little freaking nasty. like it.
Yeah, helicopter crash there today
Helicopter crash
in the Grand Canyon.
in the Grand Canyon.
4 hospitalized after getting on.
Look what we just found. We found a fair. Oh, it smells good. It's like mini Stampede. I am so sorry that I have been sucking at this vlogging situation. Oh my goodness. I vlog a few little things throughout the day and then I just keep forgetting because it's just so easy to get distracted when you're on vacation. You're just not thinking, oh, I need to pull out my phone and talk to it. So last night we pretty much we got our ice cream and then we went for a little drive. We went to that little fair, just kind of took a look around, didn't go on any rides or anything. And then we just came back home and watched a little bit of the Olympics. And I took a shower, blah, 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 got ready for bed, went to sleep. So nothing too exciting, nothing that really needed to be recorded or vlogged, but it's gonna just like, in all my vlogs, it's gonna pretty much look like my night just kind of ends abruptly because I always forget to record at the end of the night since nothing exciting is happening. So when my vlogs just kind of end without an ending, that's probably just because I have pretty much just gone home and gone to sleep. So